In this video, I will show you how to add transition in clips using Capcut. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Capcut. So I've got a couple of clips here. What I'm going to do first is drag these onto my timeline, and I'm just going to adjust the length to make these a little bit smaller. So you can see in total, I've added 3 clips down here. Now to add transitions, really easy to do. If you come up to the top left hand corner, you're going to see an icon for transitions. So what you want to do is click onto transitions, and you're going to see a ton of transitions available. Some are free, but some are part of the pro version of Canva. So the ones that are of course part of the pro version have the pro symbol in the top left hand corner. But there's a ton of free ones you can use on the free version. So what I'm going to do is add some of these, and it's really easy to do. All you need to do first is select the transition you want to use. So let's go for this one, and then click onto it, download it. Now once that's done, all you need to do is click and drag this onto your timeline, and you want to put this after the clip, just like I've done here. So for example, this transition here is going to be between the first and second clip, and what I'm going to do is download another one. So let's go for this one here, and what we're going to do is just go ahead and repeat the process. So I'm going to drag this onto the timeline between the second and third clip. So now that's been added, if we press the play button, we can see what this looks like. And as you can see, we've added our transitions successfully. So that's how to add transition in clips using Capcut. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.